Very good morning to all of you students. Uh, Today students we will start chapter number 2, that is civics. Okay, chapter number 2 civics we will start today, that is diversity and discrimination. Okay, so students, diversity it means what? Diversity it means to look different from each other. Okay, as you know that in your society, in our country, in our state, in our city, okay, many of the people, okay, they look different from each other. Okay, our languages are different. Okay, our dialects are different. Okay, our cultures are different. Okay, so all these things are different. Okay, and the one more term is the discrimination. Okay, what is the discrimination? Discrimination it means to do the partiality. Okay, not giving equal opportunities to all. Okay, if we are not giving equal opportunities to all the people, then it is said what? Then it is said discrimination. Okay students, so first topic we are going to take today is differences and prejudice. Okay students, so differences it means what? Differences it means like we are very much different in all the extent of our life. Okay, we have a different type of languages. Okay, like Gujarati, Hindi, Marwadi, Marathi. Okay, so these many different type of languages are there. Okay, and we are speaking the different types of languages. Okay, then one more thing student, that is religions. Okay, we are following the different type of religions. Okay, we are following and we are practicing the different type of religions like Muslims, okay, Hindu, Parsi, Christians. So we have this many type of different religions also. Okay, so in terms of religions also there are so many differences. In terms of food also there are so many differences. Okay, in terms of languages also there are so many differences. So these many differences are there in our life. Okay, so we can say that student, we have total number of 8 major religions are there in the world. Okay, in the world total number of 8 religions are there, and almost all these religions are practiced in India also. It means almost these 8 religions are practiced in our country also. Okay, and how many languages we have? We have more than 1600 languages. Okay, we have more than 1600 languages, and various types of dance form also we are having. Okay, but what we are doing student, we are just feeling comfortable with the people who are look like us. Okay, we feel only comfortable with those people who look like us. Okay, for example, if we are Marathi, then we speak only with the Marathi people. Okay, or we feel only comfortable with the Marathi people. Okay, if we are from South India, then comfortably we only speak with those people who belong to South India only. Okay, and with other people we are maintaining the safe distance. Okay, we are keeping safe distance from the other people, or we think a lot and then we speak. Okay, and with other people, those who are not looking like us or those who are not belonging to our culture, okay, with them we are behaving with them, we are behaving like a stranger. Okay, why? Because they are not looking like us, that's why. Okay, so okay, even when we go to the villages, okay, so in village area what we are feeling? In village area, probably we believe that villagers are not educated. Okay, and village area we will not get much entertainment in the village area. Okay, while the villagers, what the villagers think about the city people? Okay, those who are living in the city, they think city, the people living in the city, they are cunning. Okay, and they are living a very expensive life. Okay, so these many assumptions, what we can say student, pre-assumption, these many pre-assumptions are there in our life. Okay, so such type of things we have set up in our mind. Okay, so these kind of things are called prejudice. Okay, these kind of things are called prejudice. Okay, for example, we say we believe that villagers are uneducated. Okay, they are not having the manners, they are not having proper manners and etiquettes. Okay, so all the time it is not necessary, all the time it is not necessary, but when we see the villagers first time, then at that time that thinking come in our mind. Okay, so that is called prejudice. Okay, that is called prejudice. And in simple word we can say, student, when our opinion about some people always be negative, when our opinion about some people be always negative, then it is called prejudice. Okay, so we should not make any negative opinion about any of the people. Okay, we should give equal chance and equal opportunities to all people. Okay, we don't have right to judge any people on the negative basis. Okay, because when we judge any people on the negative basis, then it becomes prejudice. Okay, so the prejudice have many forms. Okay, students, prejudice have many forms. Like the prejudice have many forms. Like the prejudice can be based on the religion, on the basis of skin, on the basis of color, on the basis of region. So these many types of prejudice will have. Okay, and what is the most worst effect of the prejudice? It may hurt someone's feeling. It may hurt someone's feeling, so we should not practice prejudice. Okay, that's about the prejudice. Okay, students, so now the next topic, student, that we are going to take is a stereotype, creating stereotype. Okay, how we are creating the stereotype? Okay, so student, we know that in our society we have a gender differences. Gender differences, it means we have two type of gender in our society, the male and female. It means the boy and the girl. Okay, so most probably and usually what we are thinking, the work which the boys are doing, those work girls cannot do, and the work girls are doing, those works the boys cannot do. Okay, these preconceptions are there in our mind. Okay, these preconceptions are there in our mind. Okay, for example, boys should not cry because they are masculine, they are boys, they have not right to cry. Okay, or they cannot cry. Okay, so these type of things we have created in our mind. Okay, and if girls are there, then girls have not much freedom like boys. Okay, so these many prejudices are there, these many things we have make up in our mind. Okay, manipulated, we have manipulated all these things in mind. Okay, so when we can say we have created the stereotype. Okay, so when we fix the image of the people, okay, when we fix or when we create a particular image of the person, then it is called stereotype. Okay, for example, the image of the females we have created, females have to be housewife only, but instead of creating such stereotype, there are so many females in our country, okay, who are working outside. Okay, and some of the females are at very high post also, they are working, so we cannot say like this. Okay, and even some of the boys are also at the good post where females are working, some of the boys are good cooks also. Okay, so all these types of things said that prove that stereotype should not take place. Okay, because it hides the skill of the people and it also hides the potential of the people. Okay, so we should not fix anyone's images in a particular frame. Okay, or we cannot decide the work for any person, we cannot decide fixed work for the any person. Okay, so student, that's about the stereotype. Okay, okay, thank you so much, students.